Hello, welcome to another video. This is a clock project that I made about a few months ago, which I showed in the previous video. This is a quick update just to say I've improved the firmware. Biggest changes, I've got rid of the leading 0 on the left hand side, so when it's displaying say 930 for example, instead of it showing at 0 930, now just showing 930. I've added a feature where you can disable the seconds display if you like, as so. And I've also changed the font for the number 7 so it no longer displays with a tail. I've got these for sale on eBay. I've still got a few left if you would like to buy one. I'll put the link down below for that. So I've got 2 fully assembled. I've also got some partially assembled PCBs here as well. I've fitted the resistors, but not much else. I'll be selling these bare circuit pods on eBay as well if you want to make the project yourself. I've also got some more of these 1.8 inch LED displays which I can supply with these as well. I didn't finish off the other 2 simply because I couldn't get any more of these LED displays. I think not quite 8 inch ones. And I run out of shift registers as well. So yeah, this is just a little update. This is the other one I made, a little experimental one. This one uses different LEDs for the core ones, which I think looks a little bit better. But like I said, these are going on eBay, and if you want any more information on these clock projects, I'll link the original video down below, and I'll also link to my blog site where you can find information such as a schematic, etc. I think that wraps it up. Thanks for watching.